Hello, my name is Christina Deckert. I'm an independent sales consultant for Norwex. I've done some very beginner videos here to show before and after and how the products work. Very beginner, so keep that in mind. Here's some pictures that I've done, and the videos will follow in just a second.
I have my EnviroCloth damp and folded into 4, and then I have my window cloth and folded into 4 also. And there is little Mackenzie handprints here. So, oh, she's taking her cloth. Ta-ta. She wants to tease on it. Okay. It was folded. So if you fold it nicely and have it flat, when you wipe, it picks up everything better. And then I have my window cloth, and same thing, you kind of want to have it flat and just wipe. And there you go. Little fingerprints gone, just water and the cloth. No chemicals. She can lick it if she wants. And she probably will. Okay, I have my EnviroCloth here that I got wet and then wringed out, so it's just damp. And then I have my window cloth here. So this is dusty here. Oh, I've got my dusty mitt too. That I just used a second ago. Okay. So I'll just kind of do a mark there. I don't know if there's enough light to really see. It's hard to see. Just run it along. There you can see on the mitt where I just got some dust. Okay, and then we've got this, got all kinds of little fingerprints on it. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can definitely see that. So I'm gonna take the damp EnviroCloth, and it's folded in 4s, and wipe this down. And you can see I took that off. I'm going to take the window cloth, and it's also folded into 4. Just rub it down quick. And there you go. Hey, Mackenzie. I've got my cleaning paste, and then I have an Envirosponge. And I haven't done this yet because I was waiting for a quiet time. Mackenzie's sleeping, so I'm going to try it now. So I just got this damp, and I'm going to put some cleaning paste on it. Just going to wipe that to show you, like, that's without the cleaning paste. And I'll wipe it here because I've got some cleaning paste on this side. And it's coming right off. And I didn't put that much on there either. Here's the part that's still dirty. So you want to kind of fold it in half and rub it together to kind of get a little bit of a static charge going. And then put it on your hands. Oh, my comfy pants. Pajama pants, I'm not sure. Okay. So here's our dusty stuff here. Just simply swipe my hand over top. Yeah, you can see. Here. That's a lot of dust. Here, Mackenzie, you want to touch it? There you go. Some baby fingerprints. And it's just taking one sweep. I'm going to use cleaning paste and the Envirosponge. Okay, I've got my cleaning paste, and then I have
an Envirosponge. And I haven't done this yet because I was waiting for a quiet time. Kenzie's sleeping, so I'm going to try it now. So I just got this damp, and I'm going to put some cleaning paste on it. So you don't need a lot, so I'll try with this. So here's my oven door. I'm just going to try to clean this. And see how well it comes off. Okay, now the other side is EnviroCloth. So this is a spongy, scrubby side, and this is just a cloth to wipe it. And oh, that came clean, fast, and easy. So there's still some streak here, but that there is in between the glass. So then here's the other part over here that's still dirty. Just gonna wipe that to show you, like, that's without the cleaning paste. And I'll wipe it here because I've got some cleaning paste on this side. And it's coming right off. And I didn't put that much on there either. Here's the part that's still dirty. And it's not wiping off easily, so I just take this like that, and then it comes right off. Okay, I'm gonna leave a dirty spot here though, so I can do a before-after picture. Okay, I have cleaning paste and my Envirosponge.
I love you, Mommy. So can I have a Pepsi, please?
No Pepsi.
Oh, I'm gonna share it with you.
You're gonna share it with me?
Can I?
So I started wiping this down. I'm gonna do EnviroCloth and window cloth on this side, and then I'm gonna do the stainless steel cloth on the other side. So there's some crayon on here, material. So I did the first half with the EnviroCloth and the window cloth, and the second half I'm going to do with the stainless steel cloth. Here's the stainless steel. So here, got some crayon on here. I have the stainless steel cloth here. I'm going to do this half of the stove. Now. That was just a quick wipe.
So you want to kind of fold it in half and rub it together to kind of get a little bit of a static charge going. And then put it on your hands.
Oh God.
Oh my comfy pants. Pajama pants, I'm not sure. Okay. So here's our dusty stuff here. Just simply swipe my hand over top. Yeah, you can see. Here. That's a lot of dust. Here, Mackenzie, you want to touch it? There you go. Some baby fingerprints. And it's just taking one sweep. You can see one sweep and it's gone. So there's some marks on there still. That's just stuff that needs to be cleaned off. Super fast. Do it with a baby.